How to save hotbar in Minecraft. So first just click on E on your keyboard and go to saved hotbars. And here you will see all of the hotbars that you have. So when you see that there's papers, so it means that this particular hotbar is not yet occupied. And if you hover to a paper right here and it says not bound, it means that there's no hotkey bounded yet to that particular key. So you just need to go to settings, go to options, go to controls, then keybinds, then find the hotbar slot right here. And when you scroll down a little bit more, you will see save hotbar activator. So I'm just gonna set it to, let's say I want to set it to Z. So you could set it to anything you want. I'm just gonna set mine to Z right there. Click on done. Now when we go back, you simply need to click on Z on your keyboard and any number key to save the hotbar slot. So let's say I want to save it to slot 1. So I'm just gonna click on Z and 1. As you can see, item hotbar save. And now if you want to use that hotbar, so I'm just gonna switch first to hotbar 2. And if you want to use the hotbar where you place your things, you simply need to click on X, then the slot we use. So slot 1, X, and 1. As you can see, I now have the hotbar that we saved earlier. That's how you basically save hotbars in Minecraft.